Double your productivity and eliminate procrastination with Pomodoro Technique. Francesco Cirillo invented Pomodoro in the early 1990s. He named it the Pomodoro Technique after the tomato-shaped timer he used as a university student to track his work. Tomato is Pomodoro in Italian. The Pomodoro Technique is a very popular productivity and self-improvement tool. Tasks can be divided into short, timed intervals known as Pomodoros. Each is separated by a short break. Pomodoro is well known for boosting productivity. It works by exploiting our ideal attention span. Pomodoro is easy to implement with a mechanical timer or a digital app for phone or computer. Let's see how to implement Pomodoro. First, choose tasks to do. Then, set your timer for 25 minutes. Next, focus on work until the timer finishes. Then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 3 more times, 25 minutes and 5 minutes. And after the fourth 25-minute Pomodoro, rest longer for 15 to 30 minutes. Finally, begin the cycle again. Keep distractions to a minimum during your Pomodoro cycles. Concentrate on the task at hand. So what if you get interrupted? If someone else comes knocking for assistance, follow Francesco Cirillo's advice and inform, negotiate, and call back. Inform the distracting party that you're working on something. Set a time when you'll be able to get back to them and call back when your Pomodoro is finished. You can eliminate procrastination with Pomodoro. If you dread doing something, commit to just one 25-minute Pomodoro. 95% of the time, the momentum you started pushes you to keep working, and you feel great. Now, for some final tips to make the best of Pomodoro. Don't feel obligated to always take a break if you're in the zone. Pomodoro is almost perfect for repetitive tasks, but creative work like writing or analyzing research, for instance, may require longer periods of concentration. Experiment and see if it's best for some tasks to change the timing intervals from the regular 25 and 5 minutes to something like 50 minutes and 10 minutes. Discover what works for you and double your productivity. I did. Download a free action plan to rapidly achieve your goals at the link below.